Hey guys, today I'm teaching you if Jabber is still the best software for field-based services in 2025 or if there's a finally better option out there. Jabber in 2025 continues to be a top-tier choice for service-based businesses l- like landscaping, cleaning, HVAC with powerful features like scheduling and dispatching, real-time team tracking, invoicing, estimates, online payments, automated reminders, and a client hub, all packed into a clean mobile-friendly app that keeps your operations running smoothly in the field. And while it's not the cheapest and lacks some customization found in enterprise platforms, its ease of use and all-in-one workflow make it ideal for small to mid-sized teams looking to save time, reduce errors, and grow efficiently. That's the full review. Run your service smarter, not harder. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool breakdowns that actually help.